how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to seamlessly connect your Notion workspace with Google Calendar, making it easier to manage your tasks, events, and schedules all in one place. Start by heading over to Google Calendar. Once there, pick a week for a better overview of your schedule. On the left sidebar, find your calendar and click the three vertical dots next to its name. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Sharing. Scroll down until you see the option to make your calendar public. Enabling this is necessary for Notion to access and display your events. Just check the box and confirm when prompted. Now it's time to switch over to Notion. Log in using your usual method. Once you're inside your dashboard, decide where you want to display your calendar. You can use an existing page or create a new one. Click on an empty block, type /embed, and select the Embed option from the drop-down. When the Embed window opens, paste your Google Calendar link. This should be the private URL copied from your calendar settings. Click Embed Link, and Notion will pull in your calendar, displaying it right inside your workspace. It's that simple. Now, you've got your Google Calendar fully integrated with Notion. You can check your availability, stay ahead of deadlines, and plan your day all without switching tabs. That's all for the video.